Oh, hey, what's up? Got an email last night from 034 Motorsports. They have a new update for the TCU and the ECU for the RS. I think we'll go ahead and get that installed today. Made changes, I believe, to the heat pump and some adjustments to some of the torque converter pressures. So let's install that and take it for a test drive, see how it feels. I know some of you guys wanted more exhaust clips and stuff. I guess you're liking the way that the RS sounds with the changes we made. So let's plug in the old laptop. Let's do it. Got the laptop fired up, ready to roll. So this is the 434 connection cable, and this plugs into your laptop. And then on the other end, it's got a plug that goes into the OBD port in the car. So we'll hook that up and start flashing the ECU. All right, we got our laptop all hooked up, ready to go. So we'll go ahead and get this update flashed onto here. So we got a couple different options to choose from here. No pops, they call it crackles. So we can install that if we want, or we can go full crackle. So anyways, so we're gonna run, right now we're on the 91 revision 1.3.1. You ready to flash it? Let's flash it. Flash it. So we're starting to flash. See all kinds of lights and bells and whistles and all kinds of things are going to go off on the dash here. 'Tis the season, so why not have it light up like a Christmas tree? So yeah, this will take a little bit. Oh, there's our first warning. It'll go through a whole bunch of these alerts and errors and warnings and all kind of stuff. So for someone who's new to flashing your ECU, you can expect this. Definitely freaks you out when you first see it. Oh my gosh, what have I done to my car? But trust me, it'll be just fine. So anyways, it's going through it pretty quick. Looks like it's about done. Once it's done resetting, all the lights on the dash and everything will turn off and it'll be hunky-dory. So once it's done going through all these updates and such, we'll finish up the transmission install, and then we'll take it out for a test drive, see how it feels. Hopefully, the butt dyno will give us some positive feedback. All right, installation's complete. Take the whatchaboozit out of the OBD2 port, in case you wonder what it looks like. That's it. It's got a cool little blue light on it. All right, let's fire this mofo up, take it out on the street. Just driving around normally, it feels about the same as it did before. Guess we'll really find out how much of a difference it made once we give her the beans. Got to get to a spot here where we can put the power down and see how fast it shifts. Should be quicker. We will see. Oh, you hear those pops? Oh yeah. Right now I'm just driving down some back roads, some nice twisty turns and such. Alright, now we're getting out here on a straightaway. Just go ahead and stop real quick and we'll just floor it, see how it feels. Oh yeah. Woo. Nice, it's crisp. Woo. Definitely notice the crispness in each shift. Pushes you back in the seat a good bit more. Shift points are tightened up a little bit. Give it another run right here. Oh yeah. had to make a quick little pit stop, and I'll go ahead and take you guys for a POV test drive. How about that? Man, I love the color of this Nardo gray. Boy, she looks good. Alright, let's jump in and go for a ride. Get her started up. Head on out of the parking lot here. Once we get up the road a little bit, go ahead and put it in RS mode. We'll stomp on the gas. Click, click. Here we go. Oh, she's pulling hard. And I love the burbles on downshift. So cool. Alright, dudes and dudettes, we're back here in the garage. Well, it was successful. The update for the 91 tune worked out pretty well. We actually gained a 1/10 of a second, 0 to 60, believe it or not, which was pretty decent. And also gained a 1/10 of a second and a quarter mile, which, as you guys saw, was in the Draggy video that we included. Sorry about the audio, having some issues with Draggy exporting video, as per usual. Anyways, not bad for a 91 tune. Granted, we are in California, so 91 octane is just our standard stuff. Yeah, we got E85 here as well, but I'm running on the 91 tune since this is my daily driver. But I'm going to buy a bottle of Torco, and we're going to mix some Torco up with some 91, put us around 93 octane, and then we'll install the 93 octane tune. And the 93 octane tune actually gives about, I believe, 30 or so horsepower. So we'll be looking forward to that. So that'll be coming next. The bottle's on its way. We'll get it mixed up and we'll go out and take her for some rips. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you wouldn't mind, give me a like, give me a subscribe. That would be cool too. Tell your friends, tell a buddy, tell your mom and your dad, tell your grandma, tell everybody. Really appreciate it. Hope you guys had fun. I had fun. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much.